and I'm a youth worker for YEPS.
That's good. Have you enjoyed this project so far?
Oh, I'm absolutely loving it. I've literally been telling every single person I know about this project down here. From last week, my mental well-being was just through the roof even here. So, and I'm even considering volunteering.
It's good to hear. Good to hear. What's been your favourite part of this project so far?
I think my favourite part was seeing all the different flowers and vegetables that you can actually eat. You can actually eat flowers, so I didn't know that.
What type of flowers have you tried?
I can't remember their names.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Were they nice?
Yeah, no, they weren't nice. They were bitter. There was one that was spicy. I just tried a chocolate mint leaf though. That was quite okay.
How successful do you think this project's going to be?
Oh, so successful. Even just looking at the young people and listening to what they are saying and how it's making them feel, it's a massive success, and we'll keep coming back here.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this project?
10. Absolute 10.
Would you do this project again?
Yeah, man, of course I would.
Right, here we go.
This is my old hotel, which we made. It's got bricks at the bottom to make the rooms for the hedgehogs. We've got crates stacked and stuffed with all stuff so the hedgehog can enjoy. Up here we planted some pumpkins, and they should be ready in October time. And yeah, now they can have a nice way to live instead of being at the old farm.
Do you want to introduce yourself to the camera?
Yeah, I'm Chelsea and I'm a yepo.
Have you enjoyed this project so far?
Yeah, I've absolutely loved it.
What's been your favourite part of this project?
Seeing how enthusiastic the young people have been with the project.
If you could describe this project in one word, what would it be?
Inspiring.
That was good.
That's a good word.
Outstanding.
I'm Alicia.
I'm Holly. I'm Rhan.
Right, who's in it? Have you learned any new skills?
We've learned how to use all sorts of different tools.
That's good. Do you think you're going to use these new skills in the future?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think this project's going to be a success based on what you've done so far?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Rate this project out of 10.
10.
10.
Would you do this again?
Yes.
Yes.